we go, full flower. Just like that. Beautiful. And this guy's already forming. See a little bit of that leaf burnings happening already. Might not be the prettiest when it's big. We'll see. And my other mai'a up here is flowering. Look at that beauty right there. And I guess my Williams is starting to throw. I'll go check that out. Yeah, there we go. There, Williams. Dwarf Williams throwing a rack. It may be like 7 feet. The other one here already has a rack going on right next to it. That's really a pretty small rack for these guys. When they get happy, it's gonna be about twice that size. But here in particular, it's pretty red dirt. Not a lot of nutrients. But the pineapples like it. Look at these things, my good. Oh, and the orchid's going. There you go. The brown Chinese orchid, and these smell lovely. These are an amazing smelling orchid. Yeah, and then the our scented shell ginger has got its flowers going on right now too. That's pretty cool, huh? There's 2 kinds of shell ginger I've noticed, and one puts the flowers straight out and and they don't have any smell, and the leaves don't really have any smell. And then the really scented ones that smell like galangal, if you rub them, they get this upturned flower. Ah, so beautiful.